Hi guys, good morning. So this reading is specifically going to be for Gen X kids and 2K kids. Okay. So before going to the reading, this reading is going to be about love, relationship and health. Okay. So what I feel is uh, this Gen Z kids and 2K kids, Gen Z kids are mostly now all at the age of employment. So they have finished their college and they have been selected in campus interview and they are working in a firm, IT firm. Okay, and they are earning like okay for their satisfaction and fulfillment. Okay, now 2K kids are like they are studying in college. This is the status of 2K kids as well as Gen Z kids. Now, what I feel is Gen Z kids are knowing about all the soulmate concept and twin flame concept only now starting to know. They don't know full fleshly. Now only their interest has turned towards twin flame concept and soulmate concept because they never had the belief that see even Gen Z kids are being brought up they have been molded by orthodox parents only who are from millennials generation. Okay, so and our my aunt and uncle generation. Okay, so Gen Z kids are also like they are. We have our own job. Financially we are very independent, and emotionally also we are not dependent on anybody. If you want to travel for a tour and travel, I can go by myself, I can spend by myself, I can be happy by myself, so I'm not dependent on anybody. So if I'm going to get married to a person, whether it's going to be an arranged marriage or whether it's going to be a love marriage, when I'm this much independent and this much confident, it doesn't matter with whom I am. Okay, it only matters he has to accept for my terms and conditions. Okay, this is how I am, this is how I want to live, and you should not interfere in any of my will and wish. So this is going to be terms and conditions for Gen Z kids. Gen Z kids. But 2K kids, this is not the fact. 2K kids, they have seen like how we millennials as parents, they have millennials as parents, and they have seen all the fight, all these things with their parents also, grandparents also, and they have also witnessed like friendship is the best way to just keep on being in that emotional fulfillment space. They do not want to take this relationship any further deep more than this friendship. Okay, so 2K kids were like that, but now 2K kids are not like that. 2K kids are far more better than Gen Z kids and far more advanced emotionally, spiritually than Gen Z kids. So 2K kids are like until now they have been like college studies, academics, all these things. Now most of the 2K kids are in their final year of college, project submission, all that things. Even though now they know this is crucial year to study, now they have a full complete vision, future vision of life. Once we finish studying, we want a good placement, job placement, good earnings, and once we want good earnings, we want our dream person in reality to live our dream life, experience and live our dream life. So 2K kids are getting well prepared for all their, they have a well structured future vision. So now they are starting to gather information and knowledge regarding all these twin flames concept. Now they are interested and they are gathering knowledge. See, there is a difference between Gen Z kids gathering knowledge and 2K kids gathering knowledge. Gen Z kids, it is just a matter of curiosity and enthusiasm. Out of enthusiasm, they are gathering knowledge and just knowing, okay, this so and so concept is also there, and so people are also there who have manifested their twin flame and living with their twin flame, all these things, but it does not matter very deep in their heart, it's only out of curiosity. But for 2K kids it's not so. For 2K kids it's like a matter of manifestation. They want only their dream person in reality. Either it's going to be a high vibrational soulmate or it's going to be a twin flame. They are not bothered about the titles. They're only so much conscious about, I have a structured future for my life. I want to live that future in reality. So now I'm studying. Let me finish my studies. I want a dream job in reality. I want all my dreams to live in reality. I want good financial stability and financial abundance. I want to travel around the world with the dream partner. It's not by themselves. They don't want to travel by themselves. They want to travel with so much of luxury and comfort and happiness and joy, at the same time peacefully also, with their dream partner. So they have this structured. So when this is very structured, it is the target upon which these 2K kids are working. So it is very deep in their heart, and it is about a very serious manifestation for them. It's not like just a casual thing for Gen Z kids. No, it's not so for 2K kids. So this is going to be the difference. And so now what I intuitively feel is, as of now 2K kids are also gathering message about all this, how to manifest your dream person in reality, as well as Gen Z kids also gathering messages. So now in this 2025, what I realize is, I have been putting videos from past 4 years, but only now there is a serious how to tell seriousness in both the generation, 2K kids as well as Gen Z kids. And now they are going to watch all the videos from the start. They are going to gather information, and they'll know the concept in depth and in detail. So this is what I feel now. So let us go to the reading. Let us see what are the informations universe is going to convey them regarding love, relationship and health. Because 2K kids are like, they're feeling they're very emotionally sound and fit. No, 2K kids are like emotionally numb. They're realizing that also. So they also know emotionally we have to first of all become flexible, then release our that stubbornness, and then only that numbness will melt away, and I can release all my emotional baggages. So now they are gathering message and info regarding emotional healing also. So they are preferring for emotional coaching also. So their emotional state will also get improved for 2K kids, very particularly for 2K kids. Emotional health state will get improved, and because of that, their mental state, peace of mind, and physical immunity and health is also improving for 2K kids. Okay, so whereas for Gen Z kids, they are like very much from childhood days, they have been pampered and protected by their parents, Gen Z kids. So they are like always having hot water or Bisleri water or water from which is very protected, which is not like rough. We all had this bore water, or we had this corporation water. I like having drinking corporation water. I'm not bothered. I have to boil it, all those things. But Gen Z kids are not like that. They boil it, make it cool, then only they'll drink that hot water. Okay, that hot water which is cold, they drink that water. So from childhood days, they have been pampered and taken care by the parents. They cannot eat any outside food. They'll get stomach upset, Gen Z kids. Okay, and they cannot even if they are hostelate, or even if they are working in outstations, they have a separate room, or even if they are in hostel, they have a separate electric stove. They cook for themselves. They eat by themselves. They are like that, the Gen Z kids. So their health wise, what I feel is their emotional health. Now they have never been bothered about their emotional health only. So they've never been bothered about their physical health also, but they have so much of physical misalignments, physical disorders and physical diseases, but they themselves do not know. When their immunity goes low, this physical, all this instability and physical diseases pops up. Only that time what they do is they just go to the doctor, get treatment done, get the medicines, intake the medicines, and they leave off. That's all. This is how Gen Z kids are. Now for them also awareness is coming. This is not the way to live. Treatment is not the way to live. We need cure. So for cure, we need to learn meditation and self-healing. So Gen Z kids are all into the way of meditation and self-healing, whereas 2K kids are not like that. 2K kids are far more advanced. Whether you do meditation or whether you don't do meditation, your emotional baggage should get out of you. All the negativity should get out of you, and you should feel light. For that, you have to daily basis, you need to heal your emotional upsets. So they are going into that route, which is still more short. Okay, so now let us go into the reading for love and relationship. What are the messages universe wants to give for Zenset kids and 2K kids? Five of Wands. Regarding love and relationship in 2025, what are the messages universe wants to give to Zenset kids and 2K kids? Regarding love and relationship, what are the messages universe wants to give to 2K kids and Zenset kids? Regarding love and relationship, what are the messages universe wants to give to 2K kids and Zenset kids? Regarding love and relationship, what are the messages universe wants to give to the 2K kids and the Zenset kids? So first card is Five of Wands. Five of Wands is a card which tells there are so much of thought conflicts. What is meant by thought conflicts? Thought conflict means like you are writing, like pointing out, this is all my dreams. I want to live all these dreams in reality. First you are writing one dream, second you are writing one dream, third you are writing one dream, fourth you are writing one dream, like that. So this first dream and fourth dream does not go hand in hand with each other, and there is thought conflict there. Okay, and the second dream and fifth dream does not go in hand with each other, so you go confused and you are sitting and introspecting. So where am I going wrong, all these things. Okay, then you short it down and you come up with like, okay, this is how it has to be, and actually this is who I am not, and this is who I am actually, and you come to your that authentic inner essence and you align to it, and then that thought conflict gets resolved and you march forward in taking action. This is one way of thought conflict. The other way of thought conflict is you have a deep desire in your mind. Okay, you want to live that deep desire, but that deep desire is your mind's, but your brain is very much scared about the future consequences, how society will respond for this deep desire if you manifest in reality and if you want to live that in reality. So in the fear of judgment, fear of abandonment, and fear of rejection from the society, brain never allows you to live that in reality. So your mind keeps on longing and longing for whatever it wishes to live. Okay, so when your mind is wishing something and your brain is not allowing to live that, this thought conflicts comes between brain and mind. Okay, so the belief system which is there in the brain now, that belief system is given by the society, because from childhood days till now, whatever you have seen around you, the school you went, what they taught there, and the teachers what they taught morals to you, and your friends whatever they spoke, whatever they witnessed, they would have said you, and your friends parents, your friends relatives parents, all these things. Our house, our parents would have taught something, our house elders, grannies would have taught something, and our more relatives, elder relatives would have taught something from this society. This is how society functions and this is how you have to be. All these things from childhood days they keep on telling us now. So with all these informations and what all we have witnessed, we create the core belief system in the brain. Okay, so our deep desires belong to the mind and belief system belongs to the brain. So mind does not know whether that even that desire is there present in this world or not, but still it wishes for it. Okay, like that our deep desires are. But brain is like only what it has witnessed, what all this world accepts, with that only it has built its belief system. So like this, when your wish is not something which is like world could accept, brain goes scared. As a defending mechanism, brain rejects your deep desire. So this is how thought conflicts happens. And after this thought conflict happens now, there will be a deep introspection. But initial times, in this 2025 new year is birthing now. So that time, initial days might be, could be still March or April. Until that time, you will all have this thought conflicts, and you will not know how to resolve it, and you will feel like how to come out of it, and why this thought conflict is arriving, all these things. And you will be gathering info and message, why this thought conflict is arriving, how to resolve it, all that things. And then after this March, February, like no, April, yeah, April, May, you will know the solution is self love, how to practice self love, and daily basis how to clear this upset, how to heal this upset, all these things you will learn. Okay, this is how your love relationship is going to be in 2025. And mostly one main thing you are going to understand from this thought conflict is 2025, relationship is not between two people. Yeah, it is between two people, either it's father daughter relationship, or parental relationship, or brother sibling relationship, or relatives relationship, or friendship relationship, or love relationship, whatever it is. Yeah, it is between two people. But before that, you being in relationship with you itself is more important. Okay, so if you are going to be self judgmental for yourselves, and if you are going to be very, very, very self critical for yourselves itself, and you are going to treat yourselves very karmic means, how will you know to treat others with compassion, and how will you know to treat others with so much of respect also? You will not know. When you yourself don't know to treat yourself in a compassionate way, how will you know to treat others in a compassionate way? So in this 2025, that also you will learn, like how to be like that self journey, how to go inside deep within ourselves and realize who I am, what I want, and what is my inner essence, and how to self forgive what all I did, and how to clear my emotional baggage, how to practice self love, all these things. Your relationship within you, having relationship with you, is going to be getting better and better, better and better in this 2025. Okay, so this is Ace of Cups. The next card is Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups, what I believe is emotional fulfillment with peace and joy. That is Ace of Cups. Cups means emotions, water means emotions, so it's overwhelming emotions with so much of emotional fulfillment. So when you practice this self love, and when you practice with self compassion, you learn to self forgive yourselves, you become a self empowered person within. And when you learn to live within your heart space, you learn that is the most lovable place in the whole universe, and you feel that only as your home. So that gives you, and you feel that you live with divine there. Okay, that gives you so much of emotional fulfillment, and so much of that care, attention, what all you have longed for. That gives you unconditional love, and out of unconditional love, whatever you ask from the divine, everything is getting manifested. So in 2025, for 2K kids, it is going to be a year of manifestation. 2025, for Zenx kids, it is going to be a year of emotional fulfillment, abundance, like mental abundance. They are not the Zenset kids are not great manifestors. 2K kids are manifestation masters. Mark this word. Okay, so this is what this Ace of Cups is telling. And then Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups is like both Zenset kids as well as 2K kids, they both are approaching divine. They both are asking, I want this, I want this, I want this from divine. And divine is giving whatever you have asked for, is manifesting. Okay, sanction, everything I'll give you. But along with that, I want to test you also. Okay, see, in the Seven of Cups, there are seven cups here. Okay, among these seven cups, only one cup is eternal truth. So, what all you have listed and asked for, now you have a list. Among that list, you have given seven items. Okay, for an example, I'm telling seven items. If you choose this cup, only one item will be in this cup. In this cup, next one item will be there. And in this cup, next one item will be there. Like that, in the six cups now, one item only will be there. If you select any one cup among the six cups, one among your wish only will be granted. But when you select the seventh cup now, all these six cups material plus the seventh cup material will be there in the seventh cup. But the task for you, the test universe has is all these six cups are illusionary cups, and this is eternal truth. You have to gain knowledge and wisdom to identify this eternal truth and discard all these six cups, which is illusionary cups, and this is eternal cup, which is universe is giving you, granting you. Okay, so this is what is the test. Zen set kids will gain knowledge about all these things, and they are not so much into selecting, they are not so much serious in selecting all this one cup, eternal cup, and experiencing their dreams in reality in a serious manner. Okay, they are like these people are into like life journey, so whichever way life is taking me, I'll go in that way. So let me select first this cup, and then they'll regard. So some time, amount of time will be wasted. Then they'll realize, oh, this cup is not what I asked, only a part of that, part of what I asked is in this cup, so let me go to the next cup, let me go to the next cup. Like that, they'll to discard all these six cups itself. Instead of gathering knowledge and gaining knowledge, they experience and discard. Sunset kids, okay, so it takes lot of time, and then they come to this eternal cup. But 2K kids are not like that. They gain knowledge, and they have that people who have spoken na, in internet, they go for that, they gain that knowledge, they grasp that thing, and they by knowledge itself, they know these are all six cups or illusionary cups, and they know to discard that illusionary cups and directly come to the eternal cup, and they want to manifest this eternal cup. Okay, so their manifestation is very fast. Okay, and this is going to happen in 2025. So Zenset kids are going to have the experience of knowing which are all the illusionary cups by experiencing it, and 2K kids are going to have the knowledge about all the six illusionary cups and the seventh eternal cup, and they are directly going to the seventh cup, and they are directly manifesting the seventh cup. This is for 2025. Okay, love, relationship, and health. And this is three of cups. This three of cups is like how I feel is in Zenset kids, it is always like gathering of friends. That too for working girls who are in hostel or outstations, PGs, all these things. They are always into celebration, happiness, enjoyment, because they have not enjoyed anything when they are with their parents. But they are not suffered also. See, Zenset kids have not suffered also. All the basic comfort and luxury and all the basic amenities from childhood till they have come to this working stage. Not till that they have been provided with everything, but what they are missing is their enjoyment, their partying, their togetherness of friends, going for trips, tours, and in that city, they are in outstation now. In that city itself, they have not seen many places. Just so they want to go out, they want to explore all these things. So now Zenset kids are like into celebration, partying, and enjoying life. They are not serious into that structured future vision or manifesting that future vision. No, no, they are not into all that thing. But 2K kids are not like that. 2K kids, when they are brought up from the childhood days itself, they are like along with their parents itself, they have gone for so many tours and travels, and they have enjoyed all the luxury and comfort in that tours and travels itself. And so now, and they have been with their friends also, school friends, and now college friends, still college friends. They have enjoyed everything. They make their school friends come home, they enjoy meals with their lunch with their school friends, and they all these school friends cook together. All these things they have already enjoyed. 2K kids, that is why they have a structured future vision. And now this three of cups is like self alignment. Their brain, their mind, and higher self, all the three within themselves are aligned in a straight line only to manifest their deep desire and live that in reality. They want only to live their dreams in reality, and they are very serious to take steps towards it. And now at present time being, they are in this self alignment. They are gathering informations to how, what step I have to take. Even that step also they don't want to take waste. Okay, in like I don't want to spend my energy and time wastely. So they are very conscious in gathering knowledge and spending and investing their time and taking step up to the mark. Now this is page of cups. So this page of cups, how I feel is now after all the celebration, this Gen set kids now they feel only after they feel emotionally content, and they feel okay, what all I have not enjoyed and until now, what all I felt I wanted to enjoy. It's not like a longing, but they felt, they had their wish, I wanted to enjoy all these things. Have I enjoyed all these things? They are doing those introspections. Okay, Zen Z kids, that is Page of Cups. Pages are all research scholars. Cups is emotions. So they are verifying with that, well, with their emotion, am I on the right path? Am I living what I wanted to living? Or am I wasting my time? So long time I have wished for this. I have lived for this. I have I like full fleshedly live all these things, or will I still have some pending things to enjoy? All these things Zen set kids are going through. But 2K kids are like, if I am there with in sync with their emotions. Okay, so they have done so much of karmic baggage releasing, their emotional healing, and they have attained so much of wisdom, and they have grasped so much of knowledge. They have come to self alignment, and in this self alignment, they are thinking, is this what I actually want? If I manifest this, will I get emotional fulfillment? If I travel in this path, will I get satisfied? Am I happy to travel in this path? All these deep things about soul stuff, they are doing research work. So this is what, so they themselves, 2K kids are very much in connection within themselves and with their heart space and with their higher self. So, whatever confusions they have, they are cultivating self talk, and they are developing the self talk. And the self talk is not going to be one way. It's not like only the 2K kids keep on talking to their heart. No, no, no. They learned to communicate in two ways. So they are ready to, and not ready to, they are already receiving guidance from the higher self also. They are validating their inner voice. So now all the research work introspection is, they are doing it along with their higher self. So they are cultivating all these things. Okay, this is how it is going to span out for 2K kids. So this is how 2025 is going to be for Zen Z kids and 2K kids. Now let us go for health. Okay, so let us see what are the messages universe wants to give to the 2K kids and Zen Z kids regarding health. So, universe, whatever message you want to give to 2K kids and Zen Z kids regarding health, please let me know. Wow, 10 of Pentacles. For Zen Z kids and 2K kids in 2025, whatever message you want to convey regarding health, let me know through these cards, universe. Please give me messages through these cards. 2025 for Zen Z kids and 2K kids regarding health, whatever information you want to give, please give me through these cards, universe. Give me messages for health through these cards. Please give me messages for health for Zen Z kids and 2K kids through these cards. Let us go to the video. This 10 of Pentacles for health, what I feel is this is a happy family card. So Zen Z kids and 2K kids, both of them are emotionally going to do well because of your emotional health is good. Your mental health will also become good, and because of your emotional mental health is good, your physical health will also improve. And from this Jan itself, your physical health will start improving. That is what I feel. And this physical health and emotional health is all because of financial stability. See, ye Zen Z kids as well as 2K kids, you both have dreams. This is how I want to live. Okay, so for both your dreams to come into reality, you need money. Money is an essential part of life. Now, Zen Z kids are earning well. And 2K kids being in the college itself, they are doing some part-time job or something like that. They are also earning little amount. So for 2K kids, the money, what they have, financial stability, what they have is sufficient for their way of living. And for Zen Z kids, the money what they have is sufficient for their way of living. So this is giving their emotional stability. There is no burden or bothersome or worry. Oh my god, I have to do this, I have to do that, I don't have money. No such thing at all for both of you, both the group of people. So you are financially okay. So because of this, financially you are okay, you are emotionally okay also. Automatically, what happens is, your physical health also improves. So 2025, both Zen Z kids as well as 2K kids are going to be physically well, fit and fine. Okay. So next card is thought conflicts. But because of all the dreams and desires you have now, so when you have so much of dreams and desires, you have so much of thought conflict also. That is what popped up here also in relationship also. Even here also there is so much of thought conflicts. Okay. Swords means thought. Okay, five of swords is like one person talking one thing, other person talking other thing. So within yourself itself, okay, your mind is wishing to live something, your higher self is not guiding you, or your brain is not allowing you to live, and your belief system is completely something different. So you are like in a very confused state. Okay, but even though there is so much of confusions, because of this confusions you may get stagnation. Your health will not deteriorate. No, your health will not deteriorate, but you will have stagnation in life. You will not know what to do next step. Where should I march forward? How should I march forward? You will not know all these things. You will feel like as if I'm stuck. Okay, only that much is there in this five of swords. But you will still think of a way. You will still sit with yourselves. You will do introspection, and you will dig deeper, and you will want to know what is the reason behind. Why do I feel stuck? What is making me feel stuck? All these things you will keep introspecting and writing self-analysis report. Okay. And then next is King of Cups. King of Cups is a person who is emotionally very, how to tell, a fulfilling person and very romantic at his heart. Okay, usually King of Cups in health card is like you will treat yourselves with so much of compassion. Okay, and you will be very authoritative personality. So here there is so much of thought conflict, and because of this thought conflict you got very much stressed out. Now this King of Cups, being a King of Cup for yourself, you will how to tell, you want to introspect yourselves, you want to know the reason. Now after knowing the reason, this is, and you want to remove that negativity which is causing this stuck. Okay, and you will practice, you will go for meditation, you will practice the self love, all these things, and you will how to tell, you will come up with new innovative ideas, and you will come up with new ways how to resolve issues. And first of all you will start thinking, introspecting, is it something to be resolved, or am I thinking it is a problem? So that is there now. Actually, is it a problem, or am I thinking it is a problem? Like that, all this knowledge you will gain. And once you get clarity out of all these confusions, your stuck stage will pass away and you will march forward. Once you march forward, automatically your health will become free flowing, and your face will become bright. You will have that when your face is very, when your mental state, mind is clear now, there is no more confusions, your emotional state also will get improved. So when your mental state, when your confusions are clear, when you are very confident about this is how it is going to work out, and this is the plan of action I have to take, and emotionally also when you are free now, your physical health will automatically improve. So in 2025 definitely there is an improvement in your health. Okay. So this is the next card, which is Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is like You are becoming more. See, this is 10 of Pentacles, this is 9 of Pentacles. So from 9 of Pentacles only, you have become 10 of Pentacles. So you are becoming a very, very independent individual. So whatever you have invested for, see, Gen Z kids are working in a company. Okay, and most of the people are IT company, and those people are investing their talent, uniqueness, their creativity, everything for the company, and doing projects and finishing it in the deadline and submitting the project. So this uniqueness, how much of a time they have invested, energy and time invested, putting their whole soul and heart, now that they are getting repaid as salary in multiple folds. Okay, same way this 2K kids also being in the college itself, they're studying, and remaining time they don't want to waste, and they don't want to depend upon their parents for economic stability. Also they are doing some part-time job, and they are working, they are also investing their time and energy, putting their whole soul and heart. So they are also getting paid in multiple folds from the universe. So universe is appreciating this, both the groups of people. As appreciation, universe is sanctioning them with economic stability. Okay, so now they feel emotionally fulfilled and financially secured. This financial security is there now, that is giving them emotional fulfillment, and they are feeling very happy. This is improving their health state, mental state and health state. So their health state will be automatically good, fine. Okay, and this is also, see, this is also 3 of Cups, this is 3 of Pentacles, this is also self alignment. This is self alignment within themselves, within their emotions. This is self alignment in taking steps and action, solid self alignment. Pentacles means solid. Okay, when they are very determined, structured to live their dreams in reality. Okay, so this the Gen Z kids are like being happy with their friends, and Gen Z kids are like being happy in learning things from their working environment with their from their friends, and they are so happy to go, and they are learning everything from the society itself. Okay, so that is what is this 3 of Pentacles, and they are learning to align within themselves also. Whomever are there to their vibration, they are mingling only with those people. So their friends gang, friends group itself will be of same vibration. So this is giving them happiness, and there, because of this environment they have created, now their physical health is improving. Okay, for 2K kids, it is self alignment within themselves. Okay, so same way, this is self alignment within themselves. HRCM, okay, health, relationship, career, money, is the 4 aspects of life. For that, you have to take action is FTBA, feelings, thoughts, belief system, and actions. So all this has to align. First, these 3 has to align. What is that? Your feelings, your belief system, and your thinkings and thoughts. All these 3 are aligning. Okay. So your core frequency, your core value, and core belief system, all these 3 are aligning. You are taking the needed action for that, for your dreams to come into reality. That is what is this 3 of Pentacles. So because of that, when you take action for your dreams to come into reality, now we automatically have that happiness, enjoyment. We admire things and start to do, isn't it? When we intuitively know our dreams are going to come into reality, when that time we will be so much energetic, enthusiastic, and we will keep doing things. So like that, 2K kids is taking action, and this will improve their health state, both Senset kids and 2K kids. So health is also improving in a very good state for both the groups, as well as love relationship within themselves, and for 2K kids, and in the society for Senset kids, it's improving. Okay, so this is how it's going to span out for 2K kids in 2025. So let us meet in pick a pile reading for love relationship for 2025. Who is going to come with what feelings and what intention they are going to come towards you? What is unfolding in your love life? Let us see all these things in the next reading. Until then, bye.